Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Sweatcoin into real money. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up Sweatcoin. Now, before you do this, you need to make sure you got enough Sweatcoin to convert into real money. So now, in order to do this, if you do have enough, we need to go down and click on the earn button at the bottom of the page here, and then click on to reward, sorry. Now we'll be on the win page, so we can convert it by basically clicking on the buy button. Now we want to go ahead and purchase these gift cards. So now this is a great way of converting your sweat coins. So if we want a $5 gift card, I'm in Australia, so this is going to vary by region, so it might look different to where you are. So for $5, I can go ahead and purchase $5 gift card for Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, and more. Now this can change too, depending your region, for 1,500 sweat coins. Or if I want to go ahead and get a 10 or 15, obviously your sweat coin amount is going to change the higher the gift card. So you just go ahead and click onto that, for example. Now it's going to say I need more sweat coins, so go ahead and earn more.